Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths triangles, exercise 6.3 first sum. Let's see the question. State which pairs of a triangles are similar. So we need to check whether which pair is similar. Write the similar criterion. If it is similar, we need to write the similar criterion. That is we have seen in the introduction videos of 4 criterion. We need to write it used by you for answering the question, and also write the pairs of similar triangle in the symbolic forms. So we also need to write the pairs of triangles. Now let's see the first diagram. Always observe what the two triangle is, then start writing your answer. In the first one, it's given as A, B, C and PQR. Here it is 60, 80, 40. Here is also 60, 80, 40. So it is in an ordered manner that these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal. We have learned that in similar triangles, if two angles are equal, it can be a similar. Here 3 angles are equal. So if 3 angles are equal also, it is of a similar triangle. So we can say that angle A equal to angle P equal to 60 degree. The same way angle B equal to angle Q equal to 80 degree and angle C equal to angle R equal to 40 degree. So therefore triangle, the first angle should be equal to the second. Always see this. While writing similar triangles, be careful writing the letters. It should be equal. The first angle should be the equal. If A is equal to P, if I write my A first, here P should be written first because the angle should be equal. If I write, you know that these two triangles are similar. If I write B and of P, it is wrong. Always the first letter angle should be same. Then if I write B, then I should write Q because B is equal to Q. The second angle should be also equal. If I write C, I should write R. These two triangles are similar. Write all the symbolic forms means ABC is similar to PQR in same way. BCA is similar to QRP. First, second, then the second, third, then the first one means here also second, third, then the first one. BCA means QRP. Like that you can write the similarity in 3 forms. Now we have found the criterion here is AA, AAA similarity. So in this first one it is AAA similarity. The second one, here sides are given. Let me check here 2, 3, 2.5, 4, 5, 6. We can see if I multiply with 2, 2 2s are 4. Yes, here these 2 are in proportional. That is, it is in multiplied by 2. Then everything should be multiplied into. We will check 3 into 2 is 6. Yes, 6 is here. 2.5 into 2 is, yes, 5 is here. So 2.5 into 2 is 5. So it is all multiplied by 2. It is quite into 2 tables. Everything are getting means it is similar. So write the proportionality. AB is 2 means by here we are getting QR. It can be RQ, it can be QR. We need to check whether it is RP or QR. Let me write the next one. It is AC. So I am starting with A to B, here A to C, that is with 2 and then with 3. Same way it should be of 4 then with 6 because here similar proportional here is 3 to 6. So from Q to 4 and Q to P will be 4 and 6. So Q to R then Q to P. Even this you need to check. We can't write it as it is. We need to check whether it is of quite equal. Even QR is equal to RQ. You can't write RQ here and then PQ. Always be quite equal to here. Then the last one is BC. Here the last one is PR. Now which two triangles are similar? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP. Now check AB by QR is equal to BC by PR is equal to AC by QP. So we are getting the similarity by SSS similarity. If you check, everything will be of 1 by 2 because 2 by 4. Also write this, 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 2.5 by 5. Now we'll move on to the third one. In the third one it is of even the same thing. It is given in the sides, all the sides are given. Let me check. 2 2s are 4. Yes, it is 4 here. Even 2 3s are 6 is coming. Here 3 2s are 6. So it's 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Yes, it's right. Here it is 2.7 into 2 is not 5. 2.5 into 2 is 5. Here it is 2.7. Here it's 5. So it is not similar. As you can write this way, MP by DE is equal to PI by DF, but this is not equal to MI by EF. So we can say that therefore it is not similar. So these two triangles are not similar. We'll move on to the fourth one. In the fourth one, one angle is given and two sides are given. Here one angle, two sides. Okay, let me check. 2.5 into 2 is 5. Here it is always of 2. It will not be only in 2. It can be 3, it can be 4, it can be of any number proportional. Here 2.5 into 2 is 5. 5 2s are 10. So it's quite right in between angle 70 degree. Okay. Now we can tell that angle M is equal to angle Q. That is equal to 90 degree. So the first one, angle M is equal to Q. So any letter of M, you can write the same place of Q. Now MN by MN is quite proportional to PQ or QP. It is from this number in between. M is here. In between two sides, the M is here. So in between two sides, Q is here. So I am writing by QP, which is equal to, here ML is ML by QR. Now we can write the two triangles similar because it is similar of 1 by 2. Now we can write which two triangles are similar. Here you can take off anything, M, N, L. Now we know that M is equal to Q, so Q should come first. Next MN. MN side is proportional to PQ side. So next P will come, then your R. Now we'll check ML. ML is ML by QR. So we are right with the thing. It is SAS because two sides and one angle. Now we'll move on to the fifth one. In the fifth one, one angle and two sides is given. Into 2 is 5. Yes, it's right. Into 3 it's 6. Yes, it is right. We'll check which two triangles are similar. Angle A is equal to angle F. Here it's okay with the angles, but with the sides, here the side angle is here, opposite side is given, and here and one adjacent side. Here is for the equal angle, both adjacent sides are given. There is no opposite side is equal. Here the opposite side is given. Here there is no opposite side, and we can tell directly it is not proportional because sides are not similar. As sides are not similar, sides are not proportional, we can directly say that the triangles are not similar or not similar. We will move on. In the sixth sum, they have given a triangle DEF and PQR. Here E is 80 degree and D is 70 degree. Here Q is 80 degree and R is 70 degree. By angle sum property, we can find the angle. Because seeing this, we can say it is not similar because 80 and 70 here, 80 and 30 here. But by angle sum property, we can find the angle here as 30 degree and here it will be 70 degree. So now it has become a similar triangle. So if any two angles are given, try to find the third angle. Only then we can say whether it is similar or not. Now we know that angle E equal to angle Q equal to 80 degree. Same way, angle D equal to angle P equal to 70 degree. angle F is equal to angle R is equal to 30 degree. Now if I take DEF triangle, it is similar to triangle. Angle D is equal to angle P. So first if angle D we have written, then we need to write angle P. Then E means it's Q. Then F means R. So DEF is similar to PQR by triple angle A. Similarity criterion. That's all with the sums. Thank you.